What you need is preferably 2 kettlebells. You can use dumbbells if you want to. I personally prefer to use kettlebells just because the handles are slightly higher. To get into position, first of all, make sure that the kettlebells or dumbbells are about shoulder width apart. Your feet are going to be placed a little bit further back from the weights and in a wide position. Reaching down for the weights is really going to dictate where you're going to feel it and whether this is going to be a comfortable position or not. Make sure that you're practicing your awareness breathing. So that means pull your pelvic floor up, tuck your tailbone in, and create that oblique and psoas tension. Once you have that tension, push the hips back as you hinge down and allow the knees to soften. Reaching down for the weights, your shoulders are in line with the weights. They might be a little bit further back, but only slightly. When you're in this position, you can start the movement. Now, we're alternating pulling one weight up and then the other weight. As you pull one weight up, pull the elbow up and towards the hip and control back down again. When you pull that weight up and towards your hip, what we're trying to prevent ourselves from doing is pulling up and towards our head, because that is going to create internal rotation of the shoulder, and we're actually going to lose where we're trying to feel it, which is our upper back muscles. At the same time, to help you lift the weight, I want you to push the other hand down into the opposite weight. So as you're pulling this kettlebell up, you're actually pushing that shoulder on the other side down into the floor. So you can see that there is some twisting of the upper body in order to perform this exercise. Chase the feeling in your hamstrings as well. There should be a nice stretch and sense and engagement in those muscles in order to maintain this position.